I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, my least favorite part of doing a project is the sanding. And this is the main reason I don't like sanding. All my sandpaper is disorganized. I've got the disc for my random orbit sander I just got. Here's one for my belt sander. A bunch of loose crap just laying in here. Needs to be made for the sanding block, but I never got around to it. Tons of full sheets of paper, and now I'm going to get some 9-inch sanding discs for my new sanding disc. So I need to find a way to organize all this crap, so let's do that today. Okay, I don't know if you can see this very well, but I've made a little plan for a box. I have 5 little cubby holes on one side and 4 on the other. It'll be about 8 inches high, a little over 12 inches along the front, and 12 inches deep. Should take up less than 1 cubic foot, hopefully, which is pretty fun. So let's go cut everything out of 1/4 inch plywood. Okay, so now I've got the bottom laid out where everything glues to it. This piece goes upright like this. These divide up the cubby holes all the way across. These are the side pieces, and this is the front, rear, and a cubby hole for the larger pieces from the front and on the back side. So let's try to get glued together in some sort of semblance. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. Got 4 cubby holes on this side. This one will hold the 5-inch discs and sanding blocks. And then these slots here will be my 9-inch sanding disc. On this side will be the rest of the grits and my full sheet of sandpaper. Decided not to put a handle in it because it's not going to weigh that much anyway, and I'm not going to move around a lot. If I need to, I'll just put a couple blocks on there so I can carry it. So let's get it loaded up with the sandpaper. Okay, so here it is fully loaded up. I even wrote the grits on the outside, 60, 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 240, 400, then my 5-inch disc, one for my belt sander, and room for my 9-inch disc here, and all my loose sheets there I can cut up for the different palm sanders I've got and such. So, no promise this is going to make me a better builder or such, but now I've got no excuse to get things sanded correctly. Thanks for watching.